Hello, I need a car.
What size do you need?
I need a small car.
We have this white car.
Is it easy to park?
Yes, it is very small.
Does it use much fuel?
No, it is very efficient.
Can I see the inside?
Yes, open the door now.
The seats are very clean.
It is a new model.
I like this white car.
Do you want to rent?
How much for one day?
It is $40 cash.
I will take the car.
I need your driving license.
Here is my plastic license.
Let me check it now.
Is my license okay, sir?
Yes, it is perfectly fine.
I will pay the cash.
Here is the car key.
Thank you for your help.
I want full car insurance.
That is a wise choice.
Does it cover all damage?
Yes, it covers every scratch.
What about a flat tire?
Tires are also covered now.
How much is extra cost?
It is $10 daily.
That is a fair price.
Please sign this white paper.
I am signing it now.
Do you have the cash?
Yes, here is $10.
Keep this paper in car.
I will put it there.
Do not lose the paper.
I will be very careful.
Call us if you crash.
I hope I do not.
Drive very safely today, Leo.
Is the insurance active now?
Yes, it starts right now.
Thank you for the safety.
We protect our customers well.
Have a very good day.
Is the fuel tank full?
Yes, the tank is full.
What fuel does it use?
It uses regular green petrol.
Do not use diesel, right?
No, never use any diesel.
I will remember that, Ryan.
Return the car with fuel.
Must the tank be full?
Yes, fill it before return.
Where is the nearest station?
It is around the corner.
Thank you for the map.
The map shows gas stations.
I will find them easily.
Check the fuel gauge often.
The gauge is very clear.
The car runs very smoothly.
I like the engine sound.
It is a quiet car.
I am ready to drive.
Put on your seatbelt.
My belt is on now.
Enjoy the long road trip.
Thank you for your advice.
My friend wants to drive.
I need his driving license.
He is right here, John.
Hello. Show me your license.
This is my friend, Sam.
Is Sam a good driver?
Yes, Sam is very good.
I will add his name.
Does it cost extra money?
It is $5 cash.
I will pay the 5.
Now, Sam can drive too.
That is very helpful, John.
Only Sam and Max drive.
No other people will drive.
That is the main rule.
We will follow the rule.
Both names are on paper.
Can Sam drive right now?
Yes, Sam can drive now.
Sam is very happy today.
Drive safely together, my friends.
We will be very careful.
See you in 2 days.
Goodbye and thank you, John.
I am returning the car.
Did you have a trip?
Yes, the trip was great.
Is the fuel tank full?
Yes, I filled it today.
Let me check the body.
There is no new damage. I washed the car too.
Thank you for the wash.
Here are the silver keys.
I will take the keys.
Is everything okay with car?
Yes, the car is perfect.
Do I get my deposit?
Yes, here is your cash.
I like getting cash back.
Count the money, please, Sam.
The money is all here.
Please sign the return paper.
I am signing it now.
Your rental is now finished.
I will come back again.
We have many nice cars.
Thank you for the service.